Well, so many know. We are busy. I am in there. Wabana wababa some parliament. I don't wanna say Ozikan. Yako break kakra. Intina ahanuma kon che obohu MPs ni pi. Na ene na answer so ye nyina ye kro nkwetia aye kwewu Rock City ya ye nua Brian Acheampong ne hotel o hosti hen ama ihan donkuma oye mighty minority ekehye yezi ya honkomo cheche na adwen dem robe ya yes a party in boko nenyim painful a invite obinum bibi into wamba dodo na sutumi bay o man cheche onyezi nkomo oye nkwanhye zima hen nyinara muso mijina ai minority caucus mona name na madam wona seso na mabon wona bado onye easy there a musician another a celebrity be ibe you when you there support amanyoku bi osande se nkunyimzi amba aworanko it become a target intino me just there you put your reputation on the line but MPP zamenyimnyi there ye wazoyi achianso ombui obi biara wo atwetwe no monsi watwetwe obi biara okase tiawo monkase ntiawo na damre wankase zikan aka as a bible asamza ye mfato ho no embre papa ahona oye party mba waba mebubu za mepede meka zeto bibia so na akoma pondo nyi de enyidado mo ho ma party number as a cross na omne yakese nyina oya na ye free am MPP McKay 2000 elections na Mwokivas na yen mpanyfo na wo pretum oye orakufo na oda ano asian flag bearer odu baby na ayezin Rollins na bana one camera no odu baby na ayezin esuin fra oso mekai da mabre no iraze kasa na yesusa na enwunde MPP na campaign na ye ni nyina ye za ye mpaibo na mpa ye boy ma nsu pa twegu mpabo no don onenye nkunyimza ye nye 2016 odu bebi oye zin ekro ye nkotodwe enyim ye bompa ye zese osoro na ya asemi de okon ye iraze no kon the battle is a lot. Question me pedem be saying that where is our God? Did we forget our God so soon? And you know, it's the bir kadam meze ebufu arahu na ne draining bible politics area na amfa mpaya ante yichira eye no kwa minyanku bi no se politics or yesunsuma djuma on na asamnyen na menjini chim because senyimpa baji watuma oyem bible nti yedjuma ye nyina obiare prekroye ekroye ne baba oginaze kor bible se razi nzima ye kwa nti no dana meka bibi kire nyanko bi de mekay ye wo opposition na metako omampanyin akufo aduni fie odi bia ya pon parliament kra no nifa na meko na maketi afutu kra na ebie and mekay de mbredudu biara mudu ho anifa no mekokot prayer warriors are wo bompa ye ma Miss Cynthia Morrison odano mekay pa The mass no meaning that your party mban do donor or form prayer cells are. No was a yempaibo the tell in nature. And you know, for me, we know a solution to the problems already. We already know. In all critical times, in all difficulties and dangers, we know what to do. To call on God, to pray. So it is prayer, prayer, prayer. Mpaiboma ebufu no wasumpa obufu. Mpaiboma nyimpa also orienta simpon otase. Ibi say yɛn MPP ana yanye adwuma ana. Mana nansen maka no nam kakra. Say nkrenkro ma ya atena kakro. Me badu nkrenkro ma na me won fidu awotwe. Na rota enka no na ihu. Waye ni nyina we gudu kota. Etukon manka da be biara ye yi akwan. But yaye bi. Ehwe social intervention programs MPP has a bay. Oh yeah, a free SHS. Everybody mpa there one or you one do. Nanso abobwa. Oh man. Shekufoni school feeding are introduced some 16 years and more ago. Ono na enda baby aba. Osum. Apart from free SHS and school infrastructure, you expanded the power. Eco, Codvet, the NVTI schools, 58, you know. Now, every one of them, man, ko winiba. Bunya new administration block, new classroom blocks, dormitories. When these NVTI, National Vocational Training Institute, for so many years, now baby I'm financing ponka. But MPP have been making sure the infrastructure need equipment in to retool all these institutions and make them attractive. It's no young papa Akufo-Addo say that should be na Ghana back here. And as a biana enzama kura na bi na nkrofo hun za oye ba me gize mbrepem no Ghana back here. After all say Kwame Nkrumah mpo say owa bem na Ghana fo nshada hu na bosom say echiri nda bia bo Kwame Nkrumah nizin because of the evidence of the infrastructure worker obeye nti mwenyi sum there Akufo-Addo na bana efidui Ghana bakai abani dachibi ame mwo jezi dambra wo so wo jezi nde 2028 obeye heneze na so obeye heneze a ode yenze mebi yetweben mbebun yenye woni zin komo yama what say yen party na nchechire ase was a property owning Democrats. We are capitalists. Yes, we are capitalists, but our party's ideology also extends to creating equal opportunity for all and giving opportunity especially to the vulnerable in society. That is why if you look at our recent history, NPP is the only party we introduce the social intervention programs while implementing successfully. You know, man, this for they didn't know why. Bisa one. Then I'm saying, what's so now? Obey them. What about them? What's the mean FP? No, what's an baby? Bisa one there, one bought a single social intervention program. Look, yan coastal belt, yan mpano. Yan papa at a month away, yan baby call number. Was Wabeye landing beach. A crumpo 1 year. Akufo-Addo Bay. Why am Kuku Day bien 12? A coordinate. What commission the Dinazi? Koshenda Besma, Elminaye, Kodiskov, Komori, Brefutu, Penyah, Jamestown, hey, Koketa, Apa. MPP ambado nanso politics odu baby a obeye na bi a nipa no ayemfu but yenye jezide ember reko azirchen nkofo se bototon na wehu da jema akonya bio na MPP embra me Jesus there ayan mpemfo aye de party nanu grassroots fo na obi biara ye benya abotara ma yeso ye na yenya boniface sunsu because politics amfa ncha azebese say new nyanam na de bia so no ye medam na mebufu yi na ono ntimi nte ya ebehwe na was manso twa na was ato abebio nti hu be hia so de ye butum na yehun yezache ye kasem yenya ya anofum de biara emrepi no ebiare kasem bi na wano akofum na nkase ye but yehu de if you have some work in the day me Jesus is there ayan mpemfo aye de party nanu grassroots fo na obi biara ye benya abotara ma yeso ye na yenya boniface sunsu because politics amfa ncha azebese say new nyanam na de bia so no ye medam na mebufu yi na ono ntimi nte ya ebehwe na was manso twa na was ato abebio nti hu be hia so de yebutum na yehun yezache ye kasem yenya ya anofum de biara emrepi no ebiare kasem bi na wano akofum na nkase ye but yehu de if you have some work in the day I there sabi enye woyere wo from danara ezina sam kogupada ochire bi was becha wa horoba nti dembre mpemfu sa war some work in the day man party asam so work in the day and this if we are what abani do inye da wo bibia record ko pepe what so problems wo bi papa enti no someone will to solve was na chada hia so or dey to me solve yes in that be my be nye obi biara okwema party na onye ni ye but za mutu maka so ni de obi a bibi nti nzama nkoye no onye nyi dado Jesus yan Brenton ba ya wo parliament yes are nyi de ya be adwumazen na party no wa fa ne tempefra na yan so yanyi entremba na Brenton ba no yanyi wona zinkita ho na ya amohon areshem de obeye se ene da no yo bineza ochino obeye woze da bia mesemo ya mfanto ho ya ba bem first 4 years me ya bob no rank se maba mububu ya se nchenda mente gwedo na me ya bob no rank kra parliament dia obibi wo friend committee leadership npo na nyimbi na mona waba etiri jimba nbom wonya akwenya but bibia na nembe nti man ka do ye dwuma zin ma party na awompo akufo adu na ben wa ma appointment nti mbo efu debi ebia wombre no nso nti nya wa abotara obeye ebia na wo primaries bibia nkoye nti wo efu na ameme pray egwani mfia wotwe ansa na me win me primaries masanaba because 204 na me candidate akatum na brompe mfo say abrenta isa trenchen o mpache na 208 mkapre bio Melusi promise single vote 22-23 ansana 2012 is no oh yeah I'm during the primaries inti se mubufu wina me fi party no ma nchanda mo inti mesre bebia ye dun oyeto ehwa aba ye koto ya yenuanu wo fa kwan pii do wo sisi en hwe after anopa okunyin oji tum de waja tum Ghana na asumdwe nti na yenuanu wo tu sa wo hen do wo take advantage wo ye nzamo yin da wo ye baby pii wo wa ye lose abana etum hu de oye sisi bani na yesu bibi efi ye yuti a wankasa wo kedi won echiri ende dodo na we no ho nti it's just a matter of preparation for the battle ahead na baby a mistakes nkete be no yeba straight me jizi pado obey nti party no yazanya fiti eserim ezeba yanompo ano yaso yazanyi na monso munyi anoma wentum wanyi ho namba a mo mount platform woto ndwom wo hyenkrofo nkran mesen ksidubio de mama mo aba mbubu mekasa chawona mekasa chododo ni nyinara munjira wana ado after on send this for crop position na waba enti mejizi de se bibia koyeya ebeyi constituency officers ebeyi police station officers ebeyi regional officers ebeyi national officers area na eyi flag bearer na yezi move jizi de se yina yeza botan yezi ya obey no be so no kwakra dem bremeze shasen mpaibo enti great Ampong Omane me don't wanna say e abri mama menu aje papa there wetum na wase wombre na wabasa na MPP no Acheampong nyame wo me don't wanna say pi nyame show I don't want to say. I was not for any before. And I about a penny or Sahine. Honorable Afenyo Markin. In office. A barber chiano, ever shading crying. A catcher and say, Neo and the answer Tanashi. And Jones who are wolfing in the air catcher and say, I did as well. Oh, Mekaiser, and maybe me share a movie. Na a David Nesso. Na after so we know. Na Branchebi, every dear dance over candy see or couldn't watch a so. No ban or catch a source, or catch a David say, Long live, O King. Israel has been defeated by the Philistines. The ark of the covenant has been taken away by the Philistines, but the Lord has never forsaken his people. As I want to shame you, ya fap mara kaneko Israel din kugo na nso Awurade se ne were emfini man. Nti de America che wa wuti fie ne se amara kan de betu afako, but Awurade were emfini man MPP4. Mo nche mo nkuran na inshallah 2028 osoro bekasa Acheampong nyame wo me da wona sipi nyame show me da wona sipi da wase ona bomba se adawoma me tupu mo kakra bi man pipi for sure ona ase wo ma pa ban obi da fo mo ayensere asem tu ni ba ayensere no fi se wunnim de besi kina ya fa ni ba di wo mo bia di daka wo sama onya bo de bia na bibi be se yansa na be ye eno nkyere se awie ye nyame wotumi se emre betumi asisa MPP4 a sebe ebinumu yaudie awirofo amadima bebre na ene ya besra ye papa okunini asisi de Ghana hadie ndisi bono gratman bize se wa nya homo brama wa
we are this in Ukraine, conversation, yes, so yaba, your papa, Afenyo Markin, honorable. I do my partner, say, a Bonapaso. Sabe, would the buy idea was a year. Now, dear Essie, enter some of Bomo with the Sukin Amenaso. A quite be a sassy fast one. A young for ne, Ubia Namania, Unipapo, Ubia being education or Ghana Hano. You be also near Yakoswa, you campaign Abwama MPP as I buy, if you say, and yet dear NDC for we know, Bepeneman Colana, I go school free. BC Granny Edum Sika Essence V. Now was Ayaka. It won't be any of them. Now, yes, I'm sorry. Men got trouble for the behind to form. Not any year. Yanka whom never. Yes, Rampany wants to say. Sebi internal elections, so ya not cast and you are a quarter to. Mummy and your bar said, dear, your papa, honorable Afenyo Markin Sekayano. Our reason you didn't know then. Sanity. Sanity. We are the new patriotic party. We are the new patriotic party. The elephant is a winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. The elephant is a winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. We shall win to save Ghana. We shall win to save Ghana. The elephant is a winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. Rattle. Yeah, that's an answer. I'm showing you. Yes, sir. You know, I spoke to a certain elderly NDC man a week or two ago, and he told you that, Alex, you know, what you guys are going through is not the first in Ghana's political history. And he said, look, in 2000, it was the first time they in NDC had lost an election because they had gone through the revolution, the PNDC era and the Rawlings, 11 years plus, and then 8 years of democratic rule. So there was confusion among them. They didn't know where to go. But it took some strong few party members to say that they won't give up. And they started campaigning, using parliament and all. In the end, they got power. So I believe that with what you've done today, you know, not staying at home, but boldly coming to parliament to look for us, even at the point where, at the time where we were on break, we still said, look, let's go and try. And I have also warmly received. What you've done sends a strong signal out there that we are still ready for victory. And I believe that with rebranding, with a new posture, with a new attitude, with prayer as the ultimate solution, God will give us our heart desire come 2020. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.